Hello everyone, welcome to traderscockpit.com. In this video, I am going to explain how do we understand the PCR ratio, and by using PCR ratio levels, how can we able to take a trading decisions. PCR ratio is like it's a total put open interest divided by total call open interest. It gives some level, whether it's 1.5 or 0.3 or 1. It gives certain levels. By using that PCR levels, we can able to take a trading decisions. What you need to do is PCR ratio tells us the mood of the options market. It tells us the mood of the that particular stock, which mood by using PCR ratio, the mood of the stock, which direction the PCR ratio is telling, which direction the open interest has been building. So that that levels we can easily identify by using the PCR ratio. What you need to do is just go to Option X and click on monthly option dashboard. The page will appear like this. You just scroll down. By default, you can see here Nifty 50 has been selected, the index Nifty 50. If you want to select stocks, you can select any particular stocks here and you can explore the tool. You just scroll down, you can see there is an option called put PCR ratio. You just click on the chart of the PCR ratio, and here you can able to zoom it and see last few months PCR ratio levels. That will help you to identify the PCR ratio where exactly taking a support and resistances. So higher the PCR ratio will tell the resistances, the stock may go for correction, the index may go for correction, and lower the PCR ratio levels tells you the support. From that level, the market will try to bounce back. So the orange line, you can see the orange line is the PCR line and yellow line is the Nifty closing line, the spot closing line. Now you can identify here, somewhere around here 0.63 was the on May 13, 2022, the PCR ratio was around 0.63. That was May 12. And the next again here you can check June 16, 2022, on the same day it reaches 0.6, and here you can check again it is 0.7, here 0.7, 0.7, again here 0. It means it's telling that on the lower side, PCR acting as a major support when it comes to 0.6 to 0.7 levels. In these levels, either you can take it as a 0.6 to 0.8 levels. In between these levels, PCR reaches at the bottom level. You be ready with the market may go towards the uptrend, it will get bounce back. Be ready with the trading decision. You can, if you want to go for a instead of buying a put option by doing some breakdowns and all, by looking at the PCR ratio, the complete decision will get changes and market will try to bounce back. You can take a trading decision towards the upside. Here you can see the few days ago, just 21st, today is the 24th, 2 days ago, we got a PCR level again 0.79. That time the Nifty trading was around 18,159, and now you can check the Nifty spot price around 18,000. Let me check the spot price. Here it is. The Nifty spot price is around 18,484. So around 300 points has been gone up from last 3 days. So that's the power of PC put call ratio. Again, if you want to see the resistance in put call ratio, just open again the chart and zoom and look at for last 3 months or last 2-3 months. You identify the levels. Like here you can check, I'm looking from last 6 months, last 6 to 7 months I'm looking here. 1.28 acting as a resistance here, again here 1.27 acting as a resistance, again here 1.4, again here 1.4, again here also 1.4, again here also 1.3. So 1.3 to 1.5. In between that, PCR acting as a major resistance. It reaches in the between zones. Be cautious with market may take correction at any moment. If you want to take a trading decision, you just try to take a towards the downtrend for monthly contracts. If you go with the weekly contracts, be cautious, and you should look for the weekly put call ratio. We have separate dedicated dashboard for weekly also. You can look for the weekly dashboard. So that's it for the day, guys. Those who want to know more about put call ratio, these lines, orange line which is crossing the, which is the put call ratio line which is reaching at the lower levels and higher levels with the individual stock and indexes. If you want to know more about these things, in description I mentioned our contact numbers. You guys can contact us, and you can use the Traders Cockpit software to identify the PCR levels. So that's it for the day, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.